Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm looking at my window, it's snowing, it's spring. I love Minnesota. I actually do, but this is getting ridiculous. Anyways, today we're going to be hanging out, sans makeup, testing out some new skincare. Today I'm working with PATCHOLOGY, who you guys know I love. I've talked about their products before in the past in previous videos. I've shown Snapchats of them. I just think their products are really dope. And they sent over a package to me and I thought, let's test them out. Normally I probably wouldn't be able to do a first impression style video for skincare, but because these products are just really hydrating and calming and you see the results or feel the results immediately, I figured that would be okay. So I figured I'd try some of these things today and give you guys my thoughts and make it a video for my YouTube channel because I've been neglecting it. So we've got a couple of moisturizers for you guys. They sent over some eye patches. I, of course, already have these and some lip ones as well. I'll just show you guys those briefly since we've already kind of touched on those on my channel. They have a lip balm. Yes, can't wait to try that. And then a couple of sheet masks. These, the hydrating ones, the flash masks I've talked about before. So we're going to test out the soothing ones. So let's get into it. I'm trying to think of how I would normally do my skincare, the order, and I would probably start, I'd use a cleanser, put on a serum, and then I would do a sheet mask. So let's start with these. What's cool about the PATCHOLOGY sheet masks is that they're only 5 minutes. They're flash masks. So that's super nice because you get all of the benefits that you would normally get from a sheet mask that you have to leave on for 20 minutes or a half hour. Except you only need to leave it on for 5. How cool is that? They have a few different kinds and they gave me a little card here. There's the hydrating one, which I've used before. The illuminating one is supposed to make your skin more glowy. A milk peel one, a friendly refinisher, so I'm guessing like an exfoliating mask. The soothing one, which is supposed to help calm your skin and kind of get rid of some of the redness, so we'll see how that goes. And then a firming mask, the champion lifter, it says. So I'm definitely curious about some of these other ones, especially the exfoliating one. So I'm going to have to try that one in the future, but let's get into these. So in this package, I'll leave the prices on the bottom of the screen so you guys can see, and I will have everything linked down below if you guys would like to shop this video. So check the description bar for those types of things. This box comes with 4 masks. It has aloe vera and cottonseed extract that are natural anti-inflammatories that help soothe and calm redness. Schisandra berry, probably, de-stresses skin and improves moisture for a plump, youthful glow. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, our blend of rosemary, sage, and lavender helps repair irritated skin. So this is kind of cool. My skin isn't super irritated, but last week I did go tanning in a tanning bed, which definitely don't recommend doing. I'm just trying to get ready for a wedding, you guys. Don't judge me, and I don't want to use sunless tanner for that specifically. Normally, I'm all about that sunless tanner life. So, anyways, I do see some sun damage already, which is really frustrating. So I'm just opening up the mask. Just comes out like this. We're back. Camera quit recording, so thank you, Canon. We'll finish talking about her when we're done processing or whatever. Is that what you would call it? So you guys don't have to watch me like this for long. Alright guys, it's been about 5 minutes, so we're just gonna lift her off. It's feeling a bit dry. I'm just gonna go in and tap in the rest of the serum and kind of bring it down my neck. Ooh, that feels really, really good. I love sheet masks. I just feel like you get so much bang for your buck, you know? It's a really good pick-me-up if you have an event coming up and you want your skin to look great under your makeup, or, you know, you're just having a bit of a spa day at home. So, so nice. So that's it for that one. What do we think, you guys? It feels really good. My skin looks nice and hydrated. No dry patches or anything like that, of course. I don't know how much my redness is subdued. What do you guys think? Is it? You guys are watching the video. I'll probably know more when I watch the film back, but I love how these feel. These are some of my favorite sheet masks for sure, especially because I mean, 5 minutes, that's wonderful. The thing that I also like about the Patchology masks is their material that they're made out of. The cotton is really, really nice and thin so that when you lay it on your face, it sits really nicely. And if you have to talk or move your mouth around, or if you move your forehead, it doesn't kind of rip the mask off. If you guys sheet mask, you guys know what I'm talking about. The thinner, the better. Okay, so let's move on. They have the hydrating ones, of course, as I said before, but there's no need to see a demo of that. I really, really like those ones, especially during the winter. I have some moisturizers. What I have not tried is their new Aqua Flash Daily Gel Moisturizer. This is a brand new product to them, I believe. And this one reads, it says, water is your skin's best friend. This luxurious water-based gel moisturizer packs serious hydrating power with a clean, silky, smooth feel. It's lightweight and pore friendly, which is good. Never sticky or greasy, which is good. Probably good to wear under makeup too. And probably good since it's water-based if you have oily skin. And during the summer, I'm liking this so far. Instantly feel the cool, refreshing surge of hydration, delivering essential nutrients and antioxidants to leave skin smooth, soothed, and protected. All right, has hyaluronic acid, promotes collagen synthesis to smooth fine lines. Neem tree extract provides powerful antioxidants to combat free radicals. B5 heals and protects. Aloe soothes, etc. So let's try this one. This one is in a similar package to the night cream. It's funny because the lids, let me show you guys. Look at how cute. So the lid to the Aqua Flash has like this wave pattern. And the night repair mask has the cloud. Cute. But really similar jar, just a different color outer component. And let's try her. Alright, so this is what it looks like in the jar. It looks like jelly, like gummy. Kind of reminds me of like the inside of an aloe plant. The color is almost translucent, a little bit cloudy. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on my face. That feels super nice. I've never used a gel moisturizer before. I know they exist. Let me know, have you guys used them before? This feels really good and cooling. This is gonna be like a sun goddess's best friend, I have a feeling. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. It smells really fresh too, but not like overly fragranced or anything like that. Kind of just smells like aloe. Alright, so this is a yes for me. I can't wait to see how foundation lays on top of this. This is really, really nice. You see my skin, you guys? Patchology, grr. This one is the Restoring Night Cloud Mask. This is like a sleeping mask. Let me read a little bit about it to you guys. And because I know this video is a first impressions video, but this one in particular, I couldn't really do a first impression of it because it's a sleeping mask, you know, and I'm not filming this before bed or anything like that. So I tried this out probably about a week ago for the first time when I first got the package. I think I was probably just looking for an excuse to try something ahead of time, you know what I mean? But anyways, I tried this and it's amazing. This is my favorite nighttime product currently. Love this. Okay, so the box reads, put this weightless whipped mask to work while you dream so you can wake each morning refreshed and hydrated. Unwind the soothing scent of jasmine flower while powerful ingredients restore essential moisture and turn back the clock on fine lines. It's the overnight answer for perfected skin every day. So of course I can't speak about the anti-aging benefits. It's less than a week, but we'll show the packaging and talk about the formula. So this is what the jar looks like. Very, very cute. I'll give you guys a close-up, of course. And inside is the product, and she is thick. So nice. Let me, if I can just open this. There we go. Super, super thick and creamy. You just need a tiny bit, and it's going to cover your whole face. And your face feels like velvet. I don't know how to explain it, and putting it on my hand and showing you won't do any good, but I don't know how to explain it. It's almost like, feels like a primer. Like when you put some of those primers, like smoothing primers on, that's kind of what this feels like. It's so good, and when I wake up in the morning, my skin still looks moist. That word. So this is so good. This is my last step in my nighttime routine. Love this so much. Alright, you guys, the last product is this Lip Service Gloss to Balm treatment. I love lip treatments. I love something that I can have in my purse all the time, in my work apron, next to my bed. Something that helps with dry lips because those are no fun. Okay, this reads that your lips deserve a tune-up. Yes, they do. Once slicked on, this gloss slowly melts into a soothing treatment balm to nourish, condition, and protect delicate skin against dryness. And the treatment layer provides 2 levels of protection, a physical barrier plus an actives barrier rich with antioxidants and provitamins for continued perfection. So, oh cute. Comes in a little tube like this. You get quite a bit of product. How much do we get here? It says 8 milliliters or 0.27 fluid ounces. So that's a good amount of balm, and the packaging is really cute. It looks like it just has like a little squeezy applicator. Kind of squeeze it out of the end there. So let's do this. See how glossy it is. Oh my gosh. What is that scent? It's so good. I want to lick it off. Oh my gosh, I don't want this to end. It says it has aloe, honey, and goji berry extract in it, so I wonder if that's where this, like, the taste and the scent is coming from. It's like sweet, but not in a, oh, I don't know how to explain it. This is good. This is good. I want to see what it dries down to. Right now we're just glossy, but it doesn't feel like, you know how when your lips are really dry and you don't have a chapstick with you or a lip balm and you just put a lip gloss on and it makes it worse? It's not like a gloss like that, I can already tell. It's like thicker, stickier, more like a balm type situation. So that's good. I don't think this is something that you like throw on top of a lipstick or anything like that. Oh, and I almost forgot. While this is chilling, I was going to show you guys the patches if you guys are new to my channel and haven't heard of them before. So here are their Flash Patch Lip Gels. Alright, these are fast-acting lip gels that will help soften, smooth, and help kind of smooth the fine lines around your mouth, like the vertical lip lines, which I do the smooth mine by getting lip fillers, but that's another story. So all you do is you take, let me show you. Here's the little compartment. I have a few left in here. You take one of the little patches, it's just shaped like a little mouth, and you just lay it on your lips. Doop. And you just let them sit there, and they're really, really nice. You can't talk though. That's the trouble. And then same goes for the eye gels. I have a couple left in here. You just have a couple kind of teardrop shaped patches. You just lay them underneath your under eyes. They're cooling, soothing, kind of help hydrate and plump your under eye area. And I love using these before I film, or if I'm wearing makeup for an event or something and I want it to look really, really good underneath my eyes where I do have the most trouble. I will sit with some of those on for a few minutes. So really, really nice. I love those things so much. Oh, and I'll also link that foot peel down below in the description box because I'm telling you, you need it in your life. Alright you guys, so it's been a couple minutes. I feel like the balm is a little bit less glossy now, but it still has some gloss to it, which is really pretty. You know, if you're just wearing it all on its own to work or something like that, I'm really liking this. So I'll give you guys a close-up of what it looks like and as well what my skin looks like right now. It feels really, really great. I don't know, I didn't know what to expect, but this is really nice. I'm excited to kind of work these products into my skincare regimen currently and see what I think. I'll let you guys know. I'll update you guys on my Instagram stories, which is where I like to kind of update you guys now since Snapchat. Rest in peace. Be sure to follow me there. I'll leave my handle down below for you guys. If you're interested in any of the products that I talked about, as I said, I'll have them linked down below for you guys. But be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like skincare vids, which I know you do. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye. That was weird.